Unlock exclusive hotel deals on HopeGoo. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book some hotels on HopeGoo. So let's get into it. So here, before I begin, there is a link in the description for the website along with some promo codes and coupon codes that you can go ahead and check them out. Make sure you check those out as well to go ahead and save money on your booking. So let's get into it. So here you can see on the website you got all these different options, right? You got flight, you got hotels, you got trains. You can even go ahead and sign up by using your Google account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to do that. You can go ahead and do that. You can also find the link in the description. Then you can just simply switch between these tabs right here, and then here you can enter your destination or property, your date of when you are going to be staying, how many people are going to be staying with you, and then you have your price and other options as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. So let's go to Hong Kong, and let's say we want to stay for the whole weekend, right? So we'll go from 10th to Monday. All right, there we go. We got two adults over here, and then here we have the price and filters, whatever. So we'll leave it at that, and then we just simply hit the search button. Then it's going to go ahead and search for all the properties that are available. So here you can see we got all these different properties that are available, and then we can just simply go ahead and click on see availability. It'll open up in another tab, and here we can check out the entire hotel. We can see all the amenities that they provide. We can see all the rooms that they have. We can go ahead and select whichever rooms that we want by just simply clicking on the reserve button over here. And then here you should be good to go. Then here you can just fill out all this form, and yeah, then here you have some promotions and promo codes. You can see right here it's already applied, but you can find some more in the description below that you can apply and save even more money as well. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can book some hotels on HopeGoo. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.